Hi friend, how are you? This is Laura from Newangie group. Today I will introduce how to operate the Pulselift machine. This one is our latest Pulselift machine can use for the facial lifting. Here I will show you how to do the treatment. And for this machine, it have different work heights can use for the forehead, under eyes and cheek, and the double chin. Also can use for neck. This is the different work heights, and we put it on customer's treatment area. And then make it tightening. This one is for the eyes. This is for the facial. Then we connect the work height and the machine. You can see this one. This is for the forehead, and we open it. This one is for the left face. After we put the work height on customer's face, and then we adjust the parameter. Here we can choose the forehead and start. Here are 3 modes: M1, M2, M3. We can choose one. And this one is the RF energy. In general, we suggest our customers can adjust the energy from 30%. If your customer can accept it, you can make it here. And also for the microcurrent, we can also adjust from 30% and make it here. The treatment time we can choose is 20 minutes. And then we choose another. This is for the under eyes. This is the whole treatment of the Pulselift machine, and this machine can free your hands, no need to operate. This machine is a new revolution for the facial treatment. It's very effective for the facial lifting. So if you are looking for a new facial item, welcome to contact us to know more about this machine.